DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to DPS TeleClass. Here Suha is back with a new lesson. Are you ready, students? Let's recite the dua with me.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
Welcome back, students. To be part of today's lesson, here I welcome Jude and Anu. How are you all? We are fine. Yes, how are you? I am good. And Anu, can you guess what we will be learning today? No, we don't know. Let's show the spider to them. Hi, students. So we are going to sing the Incy Wincy Spider song with all of us. The Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the wall. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the wall again. The Incy Wincy Spider song is a type of pattern. The pattern is a series or sequence that repeat. The Incy Wincy Spider went up for the water sprout and did the same thing again. And the weather can be cleared out. You can observe patterns is like shape, color, actions and sequence of repeated everywhere. Now I am going to share learning intention. So today's learning intention is, today we are going to learn about patterns. So students, what are we going to learn today? Yes, patterns. Success criteria. Describe, copy, predict and extend simple patterns. Create simple patterns using familiar materials. Describe the term-to-term rule for a simple number sequence. A pattern is something that is arranged by following a rule. Here you can see red is mixed with blue and yellow is mixed with green. These patterns are made by sorting these shapes using a rule. Can you find the next patterns? Here you can see a list of rabbits. The rabbits are standing in a line. The first rabbit is standing, the second is sitting, the third is standing, the fourth is sitting, the fifth is standing. So students, what will be the next pattern? Think. Yes, the rabbit is sitting. Can you find the next pattern, students? Here you can see 3 examples. The first one is colors. The first one is yellow card, then blue, green, yellow, blue, green. So what will be the next 3 patterns? Think. Yes, it will be yellow, blue and green. The second pattern is alphabetic letters. A green A, a yellow A, blue A, green a yellow A. What will be the next three patterns? Think. Yes, a blue, a green, and a yellow A. So the other patterns are also like that. Here you can see a number pattern 9999, and the other pattern is 999. So what will be the next pattern? Students think. Yes, it will be 99. So the next pattern is 9. Patterns also be made using numbers. Here you can see a lots of numbers 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and all this you can see here is the number sequence. A pattern constitutes a set of numbers or objects in which all the members are related with each other by a specific rule. So students remember the specific rule always. Pattern is also known as sequence. There can be finite or infinite number of members in a pattern. Finite or infinite number of members in a pattern. Remember this. An example of a pattern is given below. A star, rectangle, and 3 circles. A star, rectangle, and 3 circles. So what will be the next pattern, students? Yes, a star, a rectangle, and 3 circles. Patterns can be extended by deriving the rule being followed. Number patterns follow the basic mathematical operation being performed to get the next number in a sequence. What are the missing numbers? Here you can see colorful balloons with lots of colors and numbers. A pink balloon is with number 14. The blue balloon is with number 12. The green is with number 10. And the orange is missing. And the 6 is in purple color. And the green is also missing. So what is the rule for this number? Think, students. Yes, it is minus 2. 14 minus 2 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 minus 2 is how much, students? Think. Yes, it is 8. 8 minus 2 is how much, students? Yes, 6. 6 minus 2 is how much? Yes, 4. So Jude, what is a pattern?
A pattern is a series that is repeated more than one time. This can include words, numbers, shapes, and more.
For example, a pattern or a sequence of color could be blue, red, blue, red, blue, red.
So Anu, can you make a pattern of sanitizer and masks?
To make this pattern, I am using 4 sanitizer bottles and 5 masks. 1 mask, 1 sanitizer bottle, 1 mask, 1 sanitizer bottle, 1 mask, 1 sanitizer bottle, 1 mask, sanitizer bottle, and a mask.
Now it's my turn to make a pattern, and I'm going to make a pattern out of different color lollipops. So I have a green, purple, orange and pink, but I'm going to use only 3 colors and I'm not going to be using green. So pink, purple and orange. So first is orange, then purple, then pink. And I'm going to do the same thing repeated. Orange, purple, pink. Orange, purple and pink. So that is what is called a pattern.
Students, let's do the activity 1 with me. Here is the activity 1. Write the rule and the next 3 numbers in the following sequences. The rule and the next 3 numbers in and A 2, 4, 6, 8 dash dash dash. Rule is dash. B 95, 100, 105, 110 dash 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 and the rule dash. So think students, how are we going to do the following number A? What is the rule, students? 2, 4, 6, 8. So the rule will be think. Yes, plus 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So the rule will be plus 2. 95, 100, 105, 110. So what will be the rule, students? Yes, it is plus 5. 110 plus 5 will be how much, students? Yes, it is 115. 115 plus 5. 120. 100 plus 5. It is 125. So the rule will be plus 5. Number sequences. We can use dots to form patterns and predict the number of dots and unit shapes for later terms. Here you see a dot pattern. For the first pattern, it is 3 dots and 1 triangle. The second pattern, it is 4 dots and 3 triangles. And for the third pattern, it is 5 dots and 6 triangles. For the fourth pattern, it is 6 dots and 10 triangles. And the fifth pattern, it is 7 dots and 15 triangles. For the sixth pattern, it is 8 dots and 21 triangles. How many dots and triangles will be in 7th and 8th patterns? Think, students. How many dots will be there in 7th pattern? Think, students. Yes, it is 9. How many triangles will be there in the 7th pattern? Think, students. Yes, it is 28. How many dots will be there in 8th pattern? Yes, it is 10. How many triangles will be there in the pattern, 8th pattern? Yes, it is 36. The rule for the 7th and 8th pattern of dots are plus 1. The rule for the seventh triangle are +7. The eighth pattern of triangle are +8. Task of the day. You had to take mathematics textbook 6B and you had to open page 110 and 111 and do the following questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on your notebook, and you have to submit the work before Thursday to class teacher's number. So that's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. So remember to submit the work before Thursday to your class teacher. Have a nice day.
DPS TeleClass